Hey fans, today we're playing Animal Jam and today I'm in my pet den. If you want to buddy me, here's my username, Pup Academy Fan. Come on, let's play. So today I'm going to be buying my pets some things and I'll get them some pet toys. Pet toys are what attract them, I'll show you. So let's see, I have a pet bat. And I will get him something. Or maybe I'll get, let's see. Maybe I'll get my penguin something. Get him this. I'll change the color to something more cool. Yeah, I love that. Let's get that. Okay, now I'll show you. I don't need settings. Gonna put it. Let's take it, place it right there. What is this? I'll just place it in my den anyways. Oh yeah, I got the bat toy. See, that bat's attracted. And look, my pangolin is sleeping. Where's my bat toy? Look, my pangolin is sleeping. Okay, bat, I'll get you what you wanted, a bat toy. Claws and paws. I'm pretty sure a bat would like this. Okay, let's get him that. Okay. My pet bat, I got you something right here. You want that? Yeah, look, he's attracted. I'm watching you. He's like, I don't care. I'll get one of my pets one more thing that they want. So I'll go ahead. I don't need Jamart furniture. Okay. I'll get my pets one more thing that they wanted, claws and paws. What pet do I have in my den? Oh, I got a jerboa. I'll just get that from him. And I keep getting into stuff. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and watch more videos.